So hello everybody, welcome back to another video from my channel, and this video is very natural video. This is a very natural video because this is about my garden. So there are many kinds of beautiful plants in my garden. You can see some. So one by one I will explain these plants to you all and tell some special characteristics or features about them. Let's start. The weather is also very nice today. It was cloudy, it rained for a lot of time. Finally the rain has stopped and the sunshine is coming on our house. So let me start introducing the plants one by one. So this plant here, this is a new one added in our collection. These three are new in our garden.
What is this?
So this first plant, we call it Bougainvillea. We call it Bougainvillea. You can see how beautiful flowers are coming out of this. There are many colors of these flowers too. You can see some white flowers appearing out of it too. So now this plant is known as yellow hibiscus. This flower, oh my god, how beautiful! So beautiful. So here the third plant is also there. It is very small. Some of you might not have noticed it. This is the Chandi plant.
What?
Chandani plant.
Okay.
So this is the Aparajita plant. From this, we have just planted this like few days ago. Few years ago, we have done the process of grafting here. So now, after a few months or weeks, this Aparajita plant will grow up and it will shower wonderful flowers of wonderful colors that will look not only attractive but beautiful too.
Which color is it coming?
To be specific, purple.
Specific purple.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is a pear. This is also a plant known as Ficus benjamina. Ficus benjamina.
Achha, okay.
This is a very old plant. It has been planted from several years. You can see we have limited the growth of it by cutting the dead leaves and branches. You can see how thick the stem and roots are getting, slowly but steadily.
Yes.
And we hope that these stems and roots will get even more thicker. So this is the champa plant. I have mentioned about this in a video of mine. And right now there are no flowers grown on it, but in a few months' time, it will also give beautiful flowers just like this Aparajita.
This is in bottle. Which bottle this is? You
No
planted
idea,
it?
but this is a cold drink bottle, I guess. Probably fruity or mother something, somewhat.
Cold drinks.
So this is a rose plant here. This is a rose plant. There are many thorns, but beautiful flowers will grow from it. You can already see that there are some buds that signals the arrival of the flowers in like a month or two.
Okay.
In the past also many flowers have grown from this champa plant. Now we were talking about the rose plant, which we have mentioned also that many thorns but beautiful flowers will come. This is another rose plant. This is another rose plant, and I explained already about the rose in that earlier.
What is the color of this rose?
And this is the rubber plant. This is a rubber plant. It produces a special type of liquid by which we can make rubber using special tools.
This color is so awesome.
This I mentioned about in my earlier videos about the rubber plant in an earlier short of YouTube short. So, well, you can see the color of the leaves. It's so amazing. It's looking like as if the leaves are also made up of rubber.
Amazing. This color is so fantastic.
Yes.
So, more leaves are coming, huh?
Yes, more of the leaves are soon coming. So this, and you can see how much thick the stem of this is. How much thick the stem is. This is a tulsi plant. Almost all Indian houses worship this plant, and as it is given the supreme status of a god in Indian mythology.
Okay.
Every morning many Indians come out of their house and offer water to it as a symbol of gratitude. Now this here is a udul plant.
Udul.
Yes, that is our language, what we call udul. I don't know what we call it in English. So many beautiful white colored flowers will come out of this, and they will look so beautiful, and by the time, and they will increase one size and become more beautiful. So now this plant here is a money plant. This is a money plant. This will not give you money, so do not be under the false impression that I am earning lots of money. So this is another of my rose plant, I guess.
So money plant is.
It is a creeper or climber. Sorry, it is a climber. It cannot grow on its own. It always takes the support of something. Now there are more plants here. One more udul. So this is also another Aparajita plant, and this will also give many beautiful flowers of many colors. And this here is an Arcaria plant. Arcaria. Earlier I thought it to be the fir plant. But I was proved wrong, and it is Arcaria. I soon got to know. So this plant holds a very special importance in my life. You know how?
Why?
Because I planted this on my birthday some 5 to 6 years ago.
Oh, nice.
And you can see
Height
how
is.
it is almost
close
bigger.
to you.
It is like the second or third biggest plant in my entire garden. Tallest, to be exact.
His height is almost like you, huh?
Taller than me.
Taller than
Taller.
you.
Okay, so that is a lemon plant right there. We have many lemon plants in our house, like 3 to 4 somewhat to be exact. This lemon plant is like also very old, planted many like years or months ago. But it is still on the process of giving us lemons. Beautiful lemons to be exact, and tasty. So behind that lemon plant,
Did you get any lemon from these plants?
from these all the lemon plants?
No, from this plant is specific.
Not
Yeah.
yet, I guess.
No.
Oh yes, I remember.
Three.
This one gave me 3 lemons.
Okay, that's good then.
Why the others have failed me to give any lemon?
Okay.
That I feel very regretful about. So behind the lemon tree there is a, what you call, another rubber tree.
No, it's so plant, I think.
No, it's another.
No, not rubber plant.
Okay,
So just showing plant.
oh, no idea what is that plant. So this is a lemongrass.
Which one?
This one there. Very grassy. It has a very grassy appearance.
Okay.
Grassy is a made up word.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is a Sadabahar. You can see how beautiful these flowers are and how good their color is. And these grow all around the year, so they are known as evergreen plant.
Okay.
This is another money plant. Now I guess you had the impression, but that is a false impression of human making money. This is a mango tree right there. This mango tree. It is used for several purposes in India. This is called the mangoes that will come out of it soon are known as the king of fruits, the mangoes.
So when will mango come in this plant?
No idea, probably an year later or some months later. I have no idea.
Okay.
Now after the mango tree, we get back to another lemon tree, very huge. It is in size.
Okay, this is a lemon tree.
Yes, lemon tree. But do not get deceived by its appearance, as the lemon tree shorter in height than that gave me 3 lemons, and this has given me 0 while we planted that lemon tree earlier than this one.
Achha.
Can you just imagine what I said right now? Now can you imagine that there is no lemon has came out of it from the last 4 to 5 years?
4 to 5 years.
Yes. We also have a neem plant.
Neem plant.
Yes. Neem leaves, as you can see, many people, even though they are bitter in taste, but they have many benefits. As if you make furniture with the wood of that neem tree, the termites which are known to eat wood don't eat it.
Okay, where is neem plant then?
Yes. If we have to free, like suppose you have a cooler in your home, so if you want to make sure that no mosquitoes lay their eggs in that water which is inside the cooler, what you can do is you can crush some of the neem seeds and put that in the water. Then the mosquitoes don't come in there and lay their eggs. Neem has many benefits. It was in Sanskrit it was known as Arisht,
Arist.
the one who cures diseases.
Okay.
Neem, Nimba, Nimbori, there are many names of this.
Okay.
In Hindi we call it neem, but this neem name was given by the Persians almost very old, in a very old ancient times.
Okay.
So this plant here is known as jamun. In our
Jamun.
language. Not gulab jamun, only jamun, simply jamun. Yes. One day my mother was eating these fruits after buying them from the market. She planted one seed here and then this. So my mother planted the seed in the pot, and this jamun is now this much big.
This is jamun plant, huh?
Yes.
So nice. Okay. What about other plants?
And
Plants?
other plants are also very much beautiful, and these are the curry leaves. I completely forgot about these curry leaves.
There are so many curry leaves in your house.
Yes, there are not just one but many plants of this. See, this. There are many curry plants here. The number of curry plants in our house is abundant. The curry plants resources. These are an abundant resource which we never face scarcity of curry leaves in our house. Never, almost never. That is used it has a very delightful scent, the leaves. And also in India, so these curry leaves have been used by many Indians for cooking food to add aroma and taste to their food. You can see these are the seeds of curry leaves.
The seeds of curry leaf, there are so many.
Yes,
Here are so many.
It is the first time I have seen a plant of which the seeds come where the leaves are supposed to be. This
Okay.
is the first plant I have seen of that kind. This is another of my Chandani plant. This is another flower of the Chandani plant, though that one is considerably smaller in size. You can see another curry leaf. I told you there is a huge amount of curry leaves in our house.
Okay.
That right there is an aloe vera.
Okay, where it is? Where it is?
Aloe vera has so many health benefits too. Aloe vera has so many health benefits.
Like?
I'm not sure to be exact, but I know that it has many health benefits.
Okay.
It is also used in many perfumes and sprays.
Okay.
These are the daisy leaves. Daisy leaves.
Okay.
Many beautiful flowers come out of it that are that have a very distinguished smell, and they are also very good in appearance. This here is another udul plant.
Okay.
So far I have shown you 3 udul plants. Okay.
This is another money plant.
This is a capsicum plant.
This one is capsicum plant.
Yes. Bell pepper. Sorry, not capsicum, bell pepper.
And it's a money plant.
Yes, more money
So you're
plant.
getting money from this plant?
No, do not be under that false impression.
Huh?
Do not be under that false impression. I am telling you the 3rd time because there are 3 money plants.
That means much money you are getting?
No.
No?
Please do not be under that false impression.
Okay.
That's the 4th time.
Another more plant you want to see? Want to show?
This is the final plant today I want to show you of my garden. This is the touch me not plant or mimosa.
What?
This is called a touch me not plant or mimosa, as you guessed by the name touch me not. It has a very amazing characteristic. When you touch any part of the leaf, the entire leaf just closes like a book. Let me demonstrate that to you. You see, I have touched this here, and it has closed.
Just touch it up. Just touch all.
See.
Can I touch?
Yes, sure. Yes. How fascinating. How fascinating.
Oh.
I used to close all of them and wait for them to open again so that I can close again. I remember those times.
Okay, so this is your
My
Garden.
beautiful garden.
okay. Very good.
So if you like my garden, please drop a like, subscribe my channel and rate this garden out of 10. Also comment the best plant out of the plant or flower out of all of these plants or flowers in my garden. So if you like my garden, please drop a like, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family members. Thank you.
Thank you. I have a question for you.
Oh yes, please.
So which plant do you like most out of
Oh,
all
me.
these? Just
Well, to be honest,
if I would
to be
tell you
honest,
the
I
select
like the-
top 3 plant, then
Yes, give me the option.
top 3.
Okay. First is touch-me-not plant. Obviously, you know why. Its
Okay, this one is-
characteristic is so entrancing.
Entrancing. Okay, then second one.
Second one,
Come here.
second one, I would like to say this lemon plant.
Lemon
Even
plant.
though it did not give me any lemons, but still I have huge expectations from it.
That's why number. That's why you're putting in number place 2.
Yes. And the third plant is this rubber plant because of its leaves.
Because of leaves.
It seems
so
like it has
amazing.
been made out of rubber itself and attached to the plant. It literally seems like that. The color is so much beyond originality.
Okay, let's find this light.
So
Okay, thank you. Thanks again. Just I'm taking around again of your plant.
Sure. Just look at the beauty of my garden. Just look at the beauty.